Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So, haven't done a video in a little while, but I just wanted to say that if you're doing landscaping, try to think in terms of partnering with nature. So in this case, I'm standing in front of these lamb Hass avocados. Now the homeowner originally wanted to put a fence between them and next door. I said, why not do a living wall? And they asked, what is a living wall? Well, you're seeing it. This is actually lamb Hass avocado. Doesn't get very tall, but it does give you the wall that you want. And check this out. This is, you get avocados right here. Check that out. That big boy right there. Just amazing. So try to think in terms of foodscaping. If you want a wall, do an avocado wall. Over on the other side of the yard, we tried something different, and these are the dwarf, they're dwarf berries, mulberries, and they only get about this tall. They're gonna lose their leaves pretty soon, but this thing produced like crazy all year long. And then because there's a drought, these things are drought tolerant, by the way. Because there's a drought, there's actually put drought tolerant plants here. We got echeverias, we got the salvia bonbon. Did you know that lavender is not native to Southern California? But these salvia bonbons are a California native. So yarrow, this is a native. This isn't a native that's California friendly, meaning it doesn't use a lot of water. It's called a kangaroo paw. Anyway, just wanted to share this with you. We have drought. The food you grow and eat is the best food. It's super high in antioxidants. Partner with nature. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. Thanks for joining us. Take care.